All right, great gardening family, we're back. We're at this point in this video, we're going to get out here and we're going to whack off our Pinecone shampoo ginger canes. So we're going to get out here into the soil and remove the ginger that has been growing here for quite a while, as we told you in our shampoo harvest yesterday from this ginger. There's about 20 or so canes down here. I'm not going to bore you guys with the entire digging process, but we'll bring you guys back once we get these canes whacked away and get these ginger dug up. Hang tight. All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, we're back. We have about a 3.5 gallon bucket of ginger here, as you guys can see. We're gonna get this ginger around to our front porch, get it rinsed off real good, get the majority of these roots removed, and we'll bring you guys back and show you the conclusion of the totality of how much Pinecone shampoo ginger we harvested from our 2022 Pinecone shampoo ginger harvest. Hang tight. All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, we're back. We've got our ginger all cleaned up. We have all of the roots removed. Got it washed pretty good, not thoroughly, but thoroughly enough for us to show you guys the totality of our harvest here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. This Green Thumb Gardening family, this is the totality of our 2022 Pinecone shampoo ginger harvest. Take a look at this. Bam! Can you guys see these rhizomes? Don't they look fantastic here? We have some huge rhizomes going on, some long, as you guys can see, rhizomes going on. Most of you guys have to do ever grown ginger before you know that ginger tends to spread in a linear direction as it grows. So if you know what direction your canes are growing in, you can pretty much harvest your ginger without causing too much damage to the rhizomes themselves. But again, Green Thumb Gardening family, again, this is the totality of our 2022 Pinecone shampoo ginger harvest here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on our 2022 ginger harvest here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please take a moment to press the subscribe button beneath this video, the like button, the notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, our 2022 harvest of Pinecone shampoo ginger from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Grow Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching.